Greetings to everyone on my YouTube channel. Today I want to consider the Bitcoin levels on the forex market, or anywhere you'll be trading Bitcoin. On your screens you can see the chart of the most famous cryptocurrency. This is a weekly chart. If you look, you will see that Bitcoin has been trading within the range between $69,000 for one Bitcoin and just below $30,000 for the last year. We also see strong support at the level of $20,000 for one Bitcoin, and a powerful global support at the level of $10,000 for one Bitcoin. Since the beginning of 2022, there has been trading in the range of $45,900 and $33,200 for one Bitcoin. Geopolitical tensions have supported Bitcoin, but now this support is starting to weaken against the background of a possible tightening of monetary policy by the Fed. I think we can see the price for one Bitcoin at $30,000, where it will be possible to buy Bitcoin in your investment portfolio. Next, $20,000 in a global purchase with a large volume at the level of $10,000. I do not recommend shorting Bitcoin, because this is a great danger in the event of favorable events or the expected halving. Here's a look at the Bitcoin. If you don't want to trade yourself, you can use copying trades by successful traders. You can see the overview of my investments below. The hint is in the center of your screens and in the comments below this video. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, put a like if you want to thank me for this review.